I just wanted to make this quick video. I'm recording it on my iPhone 6s. Same phone that I used when I recorded the CRV update video. But, so I've noticed with my GoPro, it's making a bunch of noise. Like wind noise, plastic noise, all kinds of stuff. And then I noticed when I use this camera, the iPhone 6s, it works perfectly fine. I have no noise, no nothing. Volume is clear, microphone works perfect and everything. So I went ahead, I got this iPhone 6 and this iPhone 6 for 20 bucks each off of eBay. These two are what I'm going to be using to record the rest of my videos temporarily until I can afford something better, but this is just a cheap alternative to make my videos a little bit more enjoyable. The quality, it's not 4K, but this isn't a 4K quality type of channel. This is just haggard hack bullshit. But I got a new screen cover for this, got a new screen cover for this, new batteries for both. That way I have a full reliable setup that I can rely on. Both are 64 gigs, so I will have no issues with memory, no issues with none of that. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update on this shit because I haven't made a video in a minute. So there you go. This is what I've been trying to figure out for a little bit because I hate recording on that stupid ass GoPro. It takes way too long to edit. It takes too long to load. It takes too long with everything. With these two, I can plug it right in my computer, get whatever I need off of it, or I can just email the shit right to my Gmail inbox, whatever, and get it figured out, sorted out, edited, and posted. So, there you go.